In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Peter Miller discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Peter Miller discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see, we have right here some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with a free shipping, all you need to do is select your coupon code from right here, and you can copy this promo code and apply this on your next order in order to get this free shipping. Also, we have this website which is called retailminot.com, and as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, right here, if you want to get this free shipping on your first order, all you need to do is select your code from right here, and you can copy this promo code and apply this one on your first purchase in order to get this free shipping. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.